Hello, my dear friends. A very good morning to all of you. We have reached here for fishing. Now the time is at 4:30 a.m. in the morning. Today's high tide is going on. Wow, look at there. What a beautiful view. This is awesome, yaar. Such a scenic beauty. The sun is not at risen. Still the rays are lightly visible. അടിപൊളിയായിട്ടുണ്ടല്ലേ? क्या बताऊं यार, दिल तो छू जाने वाला नज़ारा है. कितना अच्छा लग रहा है इस वक्त, मैं बता नहीं सकते यार. Anyways, friends, today's tide is very good, so we have a good hope that we will get a good catch today. Let's see. So, friends, I am preparing the baits for today's catch. As usual, we are using prawns here, so making them ready for the task, getting them in small pieces. We are not using any kind of lure here. As I told you earlier, we are getting small fishes here, like the maximum weight 1 to 2 kg only. Alright friends, ready, steady, get set, go! While casting the rod, what I love to do is to hold the line with one of my fingers. While doing so, any kind of fish action, I can feel it here. Yeah, really, I love to do this kind of fishing. I just love it. That's what I'm here for, yeah. Yes, now I get the feel. A fish is biting on the rod. I can feel it. ഇപ്പോഴാണ് വലിക്കേണ്ടത്. അതിങ്ങോട്ട് ചെറുതായിട്ട് അതിങ്ങനെ കൊത്തിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഈ സമയത്ത് നമ്മളിങ്ങനെ ഒറ്റ വെട്ടിച്ചൊരു വലിയ കൊണ്ട് വലിക്കണം. അപ്പോഴാണ് എന്നെ കിട്ടുന്നത്. യെസ്, കിട്ടി. എന്തോ കുരുങ്ങിയിട്ടുണ്ട് കേട്ടോ. I don't know which fish is that. Oh, it's a queen fish. In മലയാളത്തിൽ എന്തോ ഇതിന് പറയുന്നത്, ഐ ഡോണ്ട് നോ. ബട്ട് നമ്മുടെ നാട്ടിലേക്ക് ഉണ്ട് ഇത്. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് അവൈലബിൾ ഇൻ കേരള. ഇഫ് എനിവൺ നോ ഇറ്റ്സ് നെയിം, പ്ലീസ് കമൻറ്റ് ദ നെയിം ഇൻ ദ കമൻറ്റ് ബോക്സ്. യാർ, നല്ല അടിപൊളിയായിട്ടുണ്ടല്ലേ. സൂപ്പറാണിത്, സൂപ്പർ ടേസ്റ്റാണ് ഇതിനെ വറുത്ത് കഴിക്കാൻ നല്ല അടിപൊളിയാണിത്. What a bliss to the eyes, yaar. The sun is rising. I'm happy to get this view and more happy that I can share this view with you all. By the time I got the second catch, let me see what it is. Oh, it's very bad. This is that helicopter fish. Actually, this is not edible, yaar. Some people in some part of the country say to consume it. But I don't know, it depends on each one of taste. But me, no, I can't. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to throw this fish back to the sea because it's still alive. So, go my dear, go to the sea back. Where you are, go. Yes, go there. The sun has risen in its perfect beauty, yaar, that nothing can replace. The bright orange and yellow rays with perfect shades. So friends, I am getting ready for the next catch. Oh, again helicopter fish यार. लगता है आज का दिन full of helicopter fish है इधर. Today's day belongs to the helicopter fish. They are all over here, I think. It's got completely entangled to my hook. I have to get it out. ഓ ഇതിൻ്റെ മുള്ളുണ്ടല്ലോ, ഇത് ഭയങ്കര ഡേഞ്ചറസാണ്. ഇത് കൈയെ കൊണ്ട് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ചിലപ്പം കൈ പഴുക്കും അവിടെ. സോ വി ഹാവ് ടു ബി വെരി കെയർഫുൾ. यार it's very difficult to take it out that hook. Oh यार, it's very difficult. Yeah, I am going to throw this to the sea again. Oh, it is floating. No problem. Slowly it will regain its life. And it will back to its life. It will take some time, yeah. It will be alive soon, friends, but it will take some time. Again helicopter fish here. I am going to show you a close view how this fish going back to its life again. Once it goes back to the sea, it will tell back to its friends. When you see the bait with a line, don't yourself entangle to it. It is not the food for you. Someone is waiting over there to catch you. And even if he catches you, he is going to throw you back to the sea. I'm just kidding. This is my view that this helicopter fish do when he sees his friends. Go to the sea and tell your friends what I have told you now. It's showing us dead, but no, it's not dead. I think he needs CPR. Let me splash little water to him. It is floating above the water. I am splashing little water to him. It will take little few seconds, but it will be back again to normal. But don't forget to tell your friends what I have told you. We have a friend early in the morning here who loves fishes. നമ്മുടെ പൂച്ചയമ്മ അവിടെ ഇരിപ്പുണ്ട്, എന്തൊക്കെയോ ആലോചിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ് അവൻ. ഓൾസോ ഐ എം ഗോയിങ് ടു ഗിവ് യു എ ക്ലോസ് വ്യൂ ഇൻ ദ സീ ആൻഡ് അവർ സറൗണ്ടിങ്. Oh no, yaar, again helicopter fish. Pussycat saw and came to us. ഇന്നിനിപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ചൂണ്ടയിട്ടിട്ട് വല്ല കാര്യമുണ്ടോയെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നില്ല. ഇവിടെ മൊത്തം ഹെലികോപ്റ്റർ ഫിഷാണ്. നമ്മുടെ പൂച്ചയമ്മ പുറകെ ഓടി വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. വിറ്റ് ഇവനും വേണ്ടായോ? Even the cat doesn't want that fish. Oh, anyways, the fish needs to go back to the sea. That's what I'm going to do. There you go. Go back to the sea. Again helicopter fish here. It's very bad. Again I am going to throw him back to the sea. Now the time is at 6 a.m. It's very hot here, friends. Nowadays the temperature is rising up to 46 degrees here. So I can't wait here. It's very hot and unbearable to stand here. Just 6 a.m. and cannot withstand the heat. So friends, we have reached our home. Even though the catch was little, but two beautiful queenfish we got. I am going to give you a glimpse of it. Look at its eyes. It's so shiny and beautiful. So friends, our cooking time started. I am going to fry that queenfishes. I have already cleaned that fish thoroughly and kept it for 30 minutes marination. For marination, I have just used little chili powder and a pinch of turmeric powder, pepper powder, and salt, and a squeeze of lemon. For marination, I have kept this for an hour so that this gives a taste and twist to the fish. Now I am mixing this with the breadcrumbs for more tasty and crispy. The fishing was worth it, even though the rest of them was the helicopter fishes, which even the pussycat doesn't want, and I had to throw them back to the sea. But still, this was a good one. It was a real good one. So friends, our pan is ready with coconut oil. So friends, try this recipe for yourself. I'm sure you will love it. Thank you very much for watching.